Hello sunshine lovers, my name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the picturesque, beautiful beach of Playa del Torres, which is a beach located in the town of Villajoyosa in the province of Alicante and on the Costa Blanca. Today I'm going to be showing you a newly built apartment. This apartment features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, offers 108 square meters and is on the first floor, overlooking the first line of the beach right here, and also amongst the splendor of eucalyptus trees, nature and, well, tranquility. Let's begin the tour. As you come into this very serene, tranquil and well-maintained gated community, you will find that it offers 24-hour surveillance. Here at the entry point at the main door, you also have your letterboxes for the residents that live here. And then as you come in, it is a really welcoming entry point. What I like about the architectural design of the grounds of this building is you will find there are curved pathways, gentle sloping ramped areas as well as steps, adorned all the while with local and exotic plants and trees. The maintenance staff have done a fantastic job so far and no doubt they'll continue to do so. It really is quite lovely what they have done. As you can see from the architectural design of the building, you do have on this side 2 blocks. And as I go down, you will find that they also have their own independent entry points, which is really handy. On this side, behind this Toscana wall, which you will see accents of throughout, you do have your elevator. But then on this side you have the same, giving you direct access into the building. The good news is as well is that the apartment that we are going to be looking at today is only on the first floor, and so getting the elevator, you're not in it for very long. What you will also find is that there is an actual large entry point as well, a ramped area for vehicles to be able to come in and out of the underground parking that is also included with the apartment. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you along the way so that we get to explore the grounds of the urbanisation a little bit more. So as we come through, you will find that there are pockets of shade and really beautiful natural stone walls that border all of these lovely trees and plants. It takes you through this really lovely curved area to what are the communal grounds for the residents to enjoy, as well as the services all year round whenever they need it. And so as I take you to my right, I'm going to show you the gymnasium. As you come in through the front door of the gymnasium, as you can see, it is well equipped in the sense that you have your storage cupboards here that come with your own personal lock to be able to put in your personal belongings. You find that it is wonderful in the sense that it provides you with plenty of exercise equipment, all the while being able to look through these very large patio doors and take in the peace, the tranquility of the location and also of the natural landscapes. But it doesn't stop there. You also have on this side extra facilities that the residents can use. So through this door and this door, you have access to a steam room, or hammam, should I say. This is the door that leads to the sauna, and these are the doors that also lead to your changing rooms, should you need them. Taking you out of the gymnasium, I'm now coming back into the communal outdoor areas for the residents, and it doesn't stop there. So we're going a little bit further down now, And I'm going to go down the steps towards what is the communal swimming pool. This is a really nice swimming pool in the sense that they have gone with a coastal shoreline smooth feel. You have a lovely shell-shaped swimming pool that not only offers you a jacuzzi, but also a pool that has a shallow end and a deeper end. It offers outdoor showers, and you even have sun lounging spaces that surround it that are natural lawned. Let's say, for example, you don't want so much sun. They've also installed this really large and quite impressive pergola. It's a place to be able to chill out and also blot out a little bit of the light. All the while though, I'm able to enjoy the Mediterranean Sea and also the mountains and the trees that the grounds of the building surround. Now, as we go from this point, we're going to go around this way, and I'm also going to show you the children's play area. There is an extension of chill out and relaxation zones, places to have a picnic, do some cartwheels, and also a children's play area that is fully equipped. This is a great space, well illuminated even into the evening for those to enjoy with their family whenever they feel like. As you come into the building and you enter the entry hall, you will see that it is bright, well illuminated and also well maintained. Here you will find that it is a storage cupboard that actually houses the aerothermic boiler that the occupant would be using. I think this is a really intelligent way of storing something that is actually rather large outside your property. But then you do come in through the entry door, and immediately it brings you into an inviting and spacious and bright entry hall. As I come through the robust security door, you will find that it also has an automatic peephole so that you are able to see who is arriving at your home, and you also find that there is your wardrobes on one side for personal belongings and a video intercom system on the other wall. But what I like is that I'm immediately brought into a really bright, light and inviting living space that comprises of your open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. Altogether, the space offers 40 square meters, and throughout the apartment the ceiling height is 2.8 meters. Right here I am stood in what would be the open plan living and dining area. As you can see, it is yet to be furnished, but this is a fantastic opportunity for those that would like to move into a home with a wonderful palette of white, grey and black and really give it their own stamp of personality and character. Taking you from this area, you also now have your open kitchen, which features a rather large central island. On one side you have a breakfast bar set for 3, and on the other you also have some hidden cabinetry. It is wonderful in the sense that it gives you some fantastic options in terms of cooking equipment. And it also continues on the other side. You have a continuation of your countertops and your cabinetry with your dishwasher, your kitchen sink. You also have your microwave and your oven, and also on this side you have the double refrigerator and freezer. All of the appliances are included and have also never been used. For functionality as well, they have also incorporated within the kitchen design your washing machine and tumble dryer. The appliances and white goods in this home are Siemens. Now, what's really great is I've not only thought about the high specifications that the apartment comes with, but also the functionality of the living spaces. And so for ease and comfort, you also have a door that leads directly to the terrace. But I'm actually going to take you out onto this terrace. Through the patio doors leading from your living and dining space, here is the spacious terrace that comes with the property. It is 20 square meters and is partially roofed, giving you pockets of shade, but also enabling you to really appreciate the radiant sunshine. Now, as the actual building is currently still undergoing some finishing touches, this will actually also have a wonderful pergola system that will open and close, giving you even more shade should you want it on those hotter days. Taking you now from what is the terrace, overlooking the communal grounds for the residents, I'm now going to take you to the other side of the home where you will see the nighttime side. So as I do so, I'm going to just explain to you what the specifications are. You will find that there is underfloor heating throughout, LED lighting, electric shutters, anti-glare and double glazed windows. As we are approaching the nighttime side of the home, there is a guest bathroom that is light, bright and fully equipped. I'm now going to take you to the first bedroom. So as we enter the first bedroom, it has a similar interior feel. You will see that there is a large window on one side offering you views of the surrounding gardens and the picturesque landscape, and then you also have your fitted wardrobes on the other. This bedroom offers 12 square meters. Taking you now from the first bedroom, I'm now taking you along the way, and this is the primary suite. The primary suite altogether offers you 20 square meters, which includes your ensuite bathroom. You have on one side a large window, which gives you exquisite views, again, of the mountains and even the Mediterranean Sea. But then you also have on this side your fitted wardrobes. They really have incorporated some clever features within the design. So you do have wardrobes on this side and also on this side. But what I also like is at the end, you have a fully equipped, really nicely done ensuite bathroom. This is the Tower of San Josep, or El Torre de San Josep. Built approximately between 150 and 170 AD, it is one of the oldest funerary towers here in Spain. This beautiful monument, just a few steps away from the home that we were showing you, is actually quite impressive. It actually has on the east side and the west side holes that were used for libations, and it was built originally for an important person in Alon. What I find really interesting about it is that around the Middle Ages it was pillaged, and so there is actually a rather large hole in the middle, as you might see. But then interestingly enough, some of the actual stone boulders, as I can say it because they're so big, were actually taken to rebuild the walls of Villajoyosa that had been destroyed due to the Berber pirates. This is an important landmark right here in Alon Bay, offering a little take on history of yesteryear. And well, I absolutely love monuments, don't you? The nitty-gritty. As the urbanisation is still within its finishing touches of the construction, the property tax and the community fee are to be confirmed at a later date. The refuse collection is €180 per year. This is a great apartment. If you're wanting to be on the first floor, you're wanting to have an apartment that has fantastic specifications, then this might be the one for you. Offering underfloor heating, electric shutters, double glazed anti-glare technology doors and windows, great power points and other fantastic things to offer, this apartment is perfect if you're wanting a home that you can call your own in a beautiful location. Villajoyosa not only offers historic charm and tranquility, but it also offers culture and ease and accessibility. As you can see, we're on the first line and we are very close to the Mediterranean Sea. It is tranquil, but nevertheless we have fantastic transport links just from this location that enable you to be able to get to pretty much anywhere nearby. Benidorm is just a 5-minute drive away, also Finistrad just a 5-minute drive away, and Alicante Airport is just 45 minutes away. So, whilst I am here and you are looking at this apartment today with us, do not forget that Spainhomes, we don't just feature videos for you to look at and enjoy. Obviously, that is an important part. However, do feel that you can get in contact with us if you do see a property that you do like. Our fees are covered by the seller or the developer, and so therefore within our services we not just show you the real deal, but we can also help you with all of the administrational and legal aspects of purchasing a property too. Alternatively, if you would like to sell your home with us, then please do not be afraid to contact us as well. Anyway, my name is Nakima. It was lovely to see you again. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!